So in the comment, you asked how to make canned frosting that you bought taste better. So I'm gonna show you how to make the canned frosting taste better, taste homemade. So let's just get started. I've taken out the frosting from the can to the mixing bowl, and then for each can that you use, you can use 2 sticks of butter, and it's a bit softened, butter, but not too soft. You don't have to like make it too soft. I took it out at room temperature like about an hour, I think, and then before I use it, then just mix it up. You can blend your Betty Crocker frosting, mix it out at high speed before to whip some air into it, or you could add the butter and then like whip it all together. And then I add this whipped cream, 1/4 cup that I use. Whipped cream is in US, like heavy cream. It's not the whipped cream, it's the heavy cream that you use. I think other countries call it something else. If you're other countries, let me know what do you call like the heavy, heavy whipping cream. I think it's like more than 35% of the fat. And once you whip it all together, it's really good. Of course, it's unlike the homemade frosting you made. Like it tastes, just incomparable. But like for canned frosting to make it taste homemade, like it's pretty good. So you can put your frosting in the piping bag, and then I saved the rubber band from Scallion to wrap around your plastic bag, your piping bag, so that it won't come out the top side, the side that you don't want. So when you press it to pipe, it's going to pipe really well. You just like even pressure. This is just a start tip. Create a ruffle. It's always so nice. And there you go. It's delicious. It tastes like homemade, even though it's a canned frosting. If the weather is too warm, remember you can always put ice pack on it and then kind of rotate it a little bit before you want to pipe it and use it. And it's just, even pressure is what you need. Just like continuously pressing it as you move around the cupcake, and you're gonna have a beautiful and delicious cupcake, or anything you can put on the cake also. So I hope that video is helpful for you to make canned frosting taste better, taste homemade. And also, if you have other ideas, something that you have tried before maybe, or something that you'd like to try to how to make canned frosting taste better, please comment below so we can help each other out, because this is a cake community, like we are all cake lovers, buttercream lovers, so it would be great if we can help each other out, right?